Yeah, 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 yeah.
R2Bs.
So nice, super. So nice, super. Your body so nice, super. So nice, super. Yeah, so nice, super. So nice, super. Your body so nice, super. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video I'm going to show you guys how I love to do a twist out on this beautiful looking hair. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to do a twist out on this beautiful hair. So I decided to wash and condition the hair, and after that I did a twist out. In the video you're going to see that after the twist out, the wig was kind of scanty, so I decided to unravel it a little bit more to get a more fuller look. And I really love it this way. If you want yours fuller, you can always go ahead and unravel the twist more. But I love the way it looks like now. So you guys can see the way the coils looks like. If you want to get the original pattern, you can always go back and just use water and then just detangle it, and you get the normal pattern the wig came with. So right now I'm just gonna jump into the video. So guys, the hair I'll be using is from HerGivenHair company. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So this is what the wig looks like. This is the natural pattern. So like I said earlier on, I'm gonna go ahead and wash the hair. I'm gonna wash the hair with this shampoo. Afterwards, I'm gonna go ahead and condition the hair. So while I wash the hair with the shampoo, I'm gonna detangle as well. So this is after washing the hair with the shampoo. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the conditioner. Once I've applied the conditioner, I'm gonna go ahead and detangle the hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out. So this is what the wig looks like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner. Then now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my castor oil to moisturize the hair. So this is what it looks like. Very beautiful. So to twist it out, I'm gonna apply my BANTU leave-in conditioner, a little bit of it, and then I'm gonna detangle the hair, and then I'm gonna twist it. So right here I'm just cutting out the spare lace in front. I decided to wear the wig, and then I'm going to keep twisting the hair. So after twisting the hair, I allowed it to dry for some hours. Now I'm going to go ahead and unravel the twist. You guys can see what it looks like. It has a great definition. So I'm going to go ahead and unravel them. Then I'm going to go ahead and unravel the hair further to get a fuller look. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.